Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Sapiyit Kami, Bakikubo, Baman
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kekia Uba AL Hack Mentagasngi ulai tho baka sorkar jela kalashim ya karai bansiu tistano eka bairneng ki nongtrei asha hapo ke jela habakran shikila patai kubor uba Hack ulai tho baka jingelang hapdang Ketenat Kakot Kekia bat ki asha Mentagasngi kalalong ke baseiso bat nakalyang ke sorkar kan siu tistano mar arhajar ke insentif shiki asha.
That's why I said very successful, very meaningful, and very agreeable. They have agreed. Whatever we have also they said, they will call off the indefinite strike. For the pilot, we'll start our software for all the accounts through the portals only. You got it? Before they are doing manually, but now they will do digitalized through the electronics methods. They are getting only 500 rupees ASHA facilitator, the 500 only. No, that ASHA facilitator, they are getting only the 500. We are not doing anything from the state government as of now. We have not discussed also, they have not asked also regarding this. Agreeable meeting with the ASHAs. From the ASHA, three representatives they came. We have with our principal secretary, the MD NHM, and also with this Newton Sensation. So all the discussion we had is very, very agreeable and successful. The thing is like this. Also, we have told them after our discussion, you should call off your indefinite strike. So that also they have agreed. Then now from the government, we have come forward. Now they are getting only the incentive from the NHM. Now the state government are going to give them incentive of 2,000 rupees. That is not based on performance. Whether they work or they don't work also, that 2,000 rupees will be given to them every month. And also they are saying they've been delaying to disburse the amount to them. They said that is from the July onward. We will have our software. We will start from the Umlik, that is the pilot project. Their salary, honorarium, whatever incentive they're supposed to get, will go directly to their personal account of the ASHAs. And also we said that during this pandemic, now during the pandemic, the NHM is giving incentive of 1,000 rupees. We said that also, we the state government also will pay you 1,000. Apart of 2,000, another 1,000 also will pay you for incentive for the COVID during this pandemic. Then also the pending dues, which is pending for the ASHA benefit scheme and the Meghalaya maternity benefit scheme, which is pending till 2018. That we said by July will clear all the amount, whatever amount. Then again they have demanding, we said what about the 2019 and 2020? We said that one will not be able to give you any assurance at present, but the door has not closed. That also will be worked out. But the government decided whatever dues pending from 2011 to 2018 will be clear in the months of July. I cannot say you that, but that up to the pending dues of March 2018, it is 22 crores. That immediately by July we will clear that 22 crores. This is like this. Now they are getting the incentive during the COVID. That is 1,000 from the NHM. We said we will give additional 1,000 from the state government also for the COVID duty. That will do during this pandemic only. Then also we are giving the additional, not incentive, but additional honorarium, 2,000 rupees every month. This is not based on any performance, whether they are duty, no duty, or whatever they are. Even if they are feel sick also, they are lying at home or hospital, these 2,000 rupees they will be getting every month. And we are ensured by the first week of a month, we'll clear all their salaries. It will come around 17 crore, the finance applications will be paying to them, the yearly.